We're saving coin, not drinking Starbucks every day. Doing exactly what Summer wants to do.
So while I'm cleaning my house, my skin is also being clean. And we're back. Sleeping on who? Myself? I don't think so.
Good morning. Welcome back to a new vlog. Happy Sunday. Before we get into today's vlog, like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and do that. On today's agenda, for one, as you guys know, if you know me and you've been watching my content, it's Self-Care Sunday, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. So Self-Care Sunday to me means doing exactly what Summer wants to do, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Typically before my week starts, I make a Publix run. Today, I definitely need to get a couple of different things. I was just coming in here to get coffee because, as you guys may know, when I was in Puerto Rico, baby, I was exposed to some really good coffee. I've recreated the coffee. It's not exactly the same because I know it's not the brand of coffee, but it's very similar to the taste of coffee that I had in Puerto Rico. So yeah, I'm making coffee, but I need to get more coffee. I'll holler at you guys when I get back. So these are the ones that I ended up getting. This bunch, I think these are pretty, like the pink and the white. Yeah, I think I'll do those. But I'm thinking if I should get some baby spread to kind of throw in there. Some of these guys die too easily. Yeah, so that's, I feel like those are pretty enough, like, together. But then they have like all the roses. I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna get these. So we got some flowers for the week. So I'm trying to pick out the perfect salsa for my Qdoba bowl, but they have this Mateo's gourmet salsa. It's hot though. I don't know how hot it is. I've never had it, but I usually get like the Newman's or Newman's Own. I don't know. I might mix it. Get these hot ones. Maybe I'll mix it with the hot and mild, because then they have this mild one, so that may be just as good. So I'll get 2 of those, and then that's pretty much it. So I got everything else. I got my jalapenos for my toppings. I got my black beans, jalapenos, shrimp for a snack. I'm gonna make some parfait bowls, the coconut chunks, and then some muffins. These cookies right here, if no one's ever told you about them, you should try them. They are the wafer thin rolls coated in milk chocolate. These are so good. So I'm grabbing these as a little treat to myself. Don't need those, but hey. I tried also these. These are just a little too sweet for me. Way too much chocolate up here. Okay, moving on. Back home. It's Self-Care Sunday, so of course your girl has to do some skincare. Which mask should we do? Should we do the tea tree or the aloe vera mask? These are the options that we are
choosing from. We're gonna do tea tree because the tea tree one helps to draw out impurities, leaving skin feeling revived and clean. The aloe vera helps improve the appearance of imperfections and cleanse away sebum. Yes, we're gonna do this. It smells so good. I'm gonna do you. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning my bathroom. Incorporating some self-care. You guys should do that. If you're cleaning, you should just put on a mask and get to work. I mean, granted, I love a clean home, so I'm doing that for myself. You know, I feel like I'm also doing something for my skin and not just cleaning. Does that make sense? All right, so while I'm cleaning my house, my skin is also being cleaned, so it's like a win-win situation. Let's get into this cleaning session.
I can put you in a log cabin, somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't chicken if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion, somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change the last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I brought you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, man, you don't understand. She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She hit the main stage. She made the people say yeah, 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 yeah. I can put you in the condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in the Murcielago. I put you in the beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good, you make me wanna spin it all on you. Get up out this club, slide with your boy and we can do what you wanna. Yeah, baby, I brought you in the back cause you need a little persuasion, plus you need a little ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, I think she want me.
Hey y'all, and we're back. What you guys saw in the previous clips is pretty much my every day weekend routine. So that's typically what I'm doing on Saturday, Sunday. However, that's something that I wanted to focus more on within the new year. It's something I've always been into. I love taking care of my body. I love taking care of my skin. I love just taking care of me overall. It's February. If you watched my Welcoming 2025, Exiting 2024 video, then you understand kind of what I'm aiming for within the new year. And when I say aiming for, things that I really wanted to prioritize, things that I want to focus on. One of those things is just me overall, taking care of my mental, taking care of my physical, taking care of my spiritual, taking care of all of it. I love cleaning. I love listening to my audiobooks. I love reading. I love writing. I love drawing. I love just doing anything that just puts my mind at ease. You know, I love doing my makeup. I've been posting a lot more makeup content here because sleeping on who? Myself? I don't think so. And I've been doing that in short form content because again, you have to adapt to your surroundings and adapt to your environment. And I've been doing pretty good on that, all right? People have been showing me, you know, support and love, and that's always appreciated. I've just been trying to kind of learn different ways to present the content and make it in a way that's more welcomed, you know, if that makes sense. So I want to grow my environment. I want to talk to people on here. I want to talk to women. I want to cultivate a community because ultimately that's what's going to keep you going. YouTube is one of my priorities this year, so I'm definitely getting into that. I'm tapping into that more, right? I'm in that lane. A lot of what you saw are just ways that I self-care every weekend. So Publix runs, I love going to Publix. I always find something in there. I love getting my prebiotic drinks from there. I like getting my shots. I love getting my flowers weekly. I love flowers. Just recently I'm getting into plants. It's been a struggle We starting out a little rough, but again, always room for improvement, right? So lots of things that I'm just kind of tapping into and I'm very excited about. I will be sharing different ways that I self-care throughout my videos. So if you guys ever have questions or anything like that, just let me know. I do love to shop. I love to just, I'm a girl's girl, right? So I'm very girly. I know it's weird. So growing up, I kind of was like into dark, bold colors, which I still am, excuse me. Like I always opt for the darker colors, but I'm trying to get into my colorful girl era too. I always tend to go for nudes, browns, things like that. But my personality is kind of all over the place. I love different designs and textures and yeah, so whatever. All that to say, I just kind of went on a rant. I like to find different ways to self-care. And one of the ways that I self-care is through shopping. So I recently was at TJ Maxx. Things like this help me kind of figure out what I want to talk about or what I want to do, right? It's an organized way to help you figure out ways that you may need to self-care. They're cards. They ask you questions. It gives me ways to self-care. If there's something that I'm not thinking of or maybe I haven't thought of, there's ideas. So I love things like this. I like my life to just be very organized and together. And so that's something that I thrive on. This made a lot of sense to me. Oh, so good. Today's card is a focus card. And on it, it says, happiness comes from the simple things. This can be interpreted however, but for me today, I cleaned. That's something simple, but I find such peace within it. I turn it into a self-care moment. Cleaning, a lot of people don't like cleaning. I like cleaning. Turning on some good music, listening to my audiobook, which is what I was doing. Just something to amplify your entire cleaning experience. So it's more catered to self-care. You're not just feeling like I'm cleaning this house again and this is not it. The first prompt says, today I will focus on cleaning my house. I found ways to incorporate self-care so it didn't feel like just a tedious task that I was just having to check all my to-do list again. Why is it important? For one, I like a clean space because, hello, I am tinkering on OCD. So I like having an organized space. I like knowing where things are. I like to just walk into a room and feel like it's my sanctuary. And so my beauty room / closet, this is my sanctuary. This is where you will find me most days. It just makes me so happy. But my whole entire house should be my sanctuary. So that's something that is very important to me, is keeping and maintaining a clean space. How do you want to feel at the end of the day? For me, I just want to feel rejuvenated, relaxed, and accomplished. Those are the 3 things that I would say I really aim for every day. I just want to feel like, hey, my life, I'm grateful and thankful for it. That is pretty much how I self-care on my Sundays. Hopefully this influenced you to take a moment out of your day and just enjoy the simple things. Enjoy the moments of self-care. Enjoy moments that you want to enjoy. Make it something that you want to enjoy. Whether it's the smallest thing, it doesn't matter. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope 2025 is starting off beautiful for you guys. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later.